New video out. I'm going to be trying to install Zorin OS on the 8.1 PC. Man, it's currently not getting signal. So now I have I'm going fully to commit to just not even dual boot this thing. Instead, what I'm going to try to do is fully install Zorin OS on this thing, see what happens. This PC came out back in 2009. This is a eMachines EL 1200. Screw Windows. Okay, hard disk, USB. All right, finally, Zorin OS. Power. This is my absolute first time installing a Linux distro on any device I have ever owned. The reason why I had never installed any Linux distros is because I don't know which distro to pick. There's so many other distros and I don't know any good distros out there that are kind of user friendly. And yeah, so this is based off Ubuntu. Like it's some of the names down here, they're saying some Ubuntu stuff. This Zorin OS is based off Ubuntu. If anyone likes to know, this is much more a user friendly version of Ubuntu, I think, but in Zorin OS style, basically. What I know is Zorin OS has been around since 2009, I think, what I heard. And yeah, okay, checking restricted, finish, no errors found. Cool. Okay, all right, update. There's a little bar right there that's circling right there. I'm not sure what that means. I never figured out how this PC like genuinely like worked. There's not too much about this PC since it was like almost right after eMachines went bankrupt and got bought by Acer, and generally there's almost little to no information about this eMachines PC. So I decided to boot in safe graphics, and for some reason it has an X down here. I don't know what the X means. And boom, it was the graphics all along. We got display. Nice. That was much more faster than last time, so most likely it is the graphics. I booted up in safe graphics instead this time around, and now we can install Zorin OS on the Windows 8.1 PC. So let's try to zoom in a little bit more. All right, so it's English. Try our OS. You can try Zorin OS by making any change without making any changes to your computer directly from the CD, or if you're ready, you can install Zorin OS alongside of or instead of your current operating system. This shouldn't take too long. So let's hit English. Alright guys, so we're back and it has fully installed. My SD card ran into issues where it got full and it just restarted by itself. So can I just turn it off here? I'm gonna turn it off. The worst case scenario. Oh, whoa, okay. The worst that we can have done is just basically to redo the whole installation stuff. So yeah, I have a 250. Right, okay. So I took this drive out, this PC, because it wasn't really needed, and came to realize that it was this thing that was trying to boot into Windows recovery each time, and now it just boots up into Zorin OS immediately. So it was this drive trying to, I guess, communicate with this. I'm not even gonna keep it in here because yeah. Okay. Hopefully it boots up in Zorin. That's not good. That's not good. Oh, there it is. I'm not too sure if there's any audio. Because this computer is just VGA, and I'm pretty sure VGA does not support audio. I could be wrong. I'm not too sure though. Oh, okay. Alright. Alrighty. It's setting up the graphics and stuff. Get back to you guys when this thing fully boots up because I don't want to waste space on this SD card. Oh, wait. That's legit cool. I like the booting. Low key, this is making me want to dual boot on a PC that hopefully I will get soon, on a laptop that hopefully I can get soon. And there it is. Look at that login screen. It looks epic. I'm not even gonna lie. That login screen looks so cool for absolutely no reason. Alright. Let's enter my secure password. Oh wait. Let's enter my secure password. There it is. And the aspect ratio is there. So welcome to Zorin OS 18. Hi there, take a quick tour. Let's start the tour. This is my first ever Linux distro. I am excited. Keyboard battery is low. Wireless keyboard. I have a wired keyboard, by the way. This is wired. It could be talking about the mouse though, which the mouse does completely fine, but I just barely replaced his battery. So so I've been launching apps is like Windows. Choose your desktop. Let's choose that later. Connect any Google accounts? No. Link your phone. Okay. Probably performs about the same as Windows. Oh wait. This is honestly it honestly looks cool, I'm not gonna lie though. I really like the design of Zorin OS, that's why I chose this OS. I really like the design of it. It looks pretty decent. Yeah, yeah, alright. It's laggy. Oh, oh no, okay, force quit. Force quit. Force quit it. Oh wow. Files. I can't get this computer to be happy because it's always so laggy for no reason. Any OS I pick, it lags. Maybe Linux Mint might help. Comment down below if you guys know from the Linux community. Do you guys know what's decent with this computer? This I don't know the specs. I know it has 4 gigabytes of RAM. There's a NVIDIA card in here, AMD Atheron, I think 64 based. So yeah, the UI here I really like how simple and like it looks. It gives me like some type of Chrome OS vibe. I'm not trying to make anyone mad, but it gives me that type of vibe for some reason. Yeah, but most likely this is the end of this video. I just wanted to make a video of me installing Zorin OS. I'm going to be exploring this off camera and seeing what I can tweak with it and what's going on, why is it so laggy. But I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And ooh, it has a dark mode wallpaper. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.